Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for October 29th, 2014. It's currently 7:30 a.m. and it's pretty mild out there. We have a variety of temperatures throughout the region due to strong warm air advection ahead of an advancing cold front, with some areas of fog in Connecticut and in northern New Jersey, keeping temperatures a bit cool in the lower to mid 50s, even a few upper 40s mixed in there. However, where the fog is not prevalent, temperatures are very warm in the upper 50s to lower 60s, with a southwesterly wind around 5 to 15 miles per hour. The cold front is approaching the region this hour. As you can see, winds are starting to veer to the west and the northwest over portions of Pennsylvania and New York as that cold front moves through. And temperatures are a bit cooler, with low temperatures right now in the mid 40s to lower 50s over western Pennsylvania and mid 50s over central Pennsylvania. So we have a cooler air mass advancing into the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area. You can say goodbye to the 70s for some time and hello to the 50s and 40s by the time we get to this weekend. For today, look for temperatures to rise into the mid to upper 60s ahead of the cold front, but then fall into the 50s by the time we get to late afternoon. So about the time when you're leaving from work, expect temperatures around 55, 57 degrees with that rainfall exiting the region. On the latest surface map, you can see that cold front currently through eastern Pennsylvania and moving towards the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area for this afternoon, with scattered showers expected. Where are those showers? Well, let's take a look at the latest radar. You can see these showers are moving through eastern Pennsylvania right now, especially over northeastern Pennsylvania back through south central Pennsylvania. Some of these showers are capable of some heavy downpours, but no thunderstorms have developed and none are expected. These showers will be capable of producing a heavy downpour, like I said, and wind gusts up to 30 miles per hour in some of those heavy downpours, but overall, just a few scattered showers today, with the winds veering to the northwest and temperatures rising into the mid to upper 60s before crashing into the 50s this evening. On the latest infrared satellite picture, should I say, we have that cold front moving through, and we still have some lifting behind the cold front, as we can see here. This is due to our upper level trough moving through the upper Midwest and Great Lakes and approaching the region. The surface cold front is out ahead of that upper level trough and moving rapidly to the east. So there could be a few additional showers behind the cold front until late this afternoon. Around 5, 6 p.m. will clear out with clearing skies for the rest of the evening. For tonight, look for temperatures to fall off into the upper 30s to lower 40s over the interior and lower to mid 40s along the coast. Now let's take a look at the water vapor satellite picture, because we do have a potential for a coastal storm on Saturday. There's a lot of uncertainty in the forecast. We have to wait to see how everything plays out, but let me show you the main players here. One is this trough right here, which is expected to drop south and weaken. That will build up. This ridge is starting to develop out here. It'll build over portions of the Rockies here, the central Rockies. And the building of that ridge and the intensification of this trough will take this disturbance right here and send it straight south and east through the Ohio River Valley towards the mid-Atlantic coast, where it has the potential to interact with another wave of low pressure off of the mid-Atlantic coast to produce a rather vigorous low pressure system over the coastal waters. The question is, how far to the east of the coast will this low pressure system develop? The further east it is, the less likely we'll have any impacts. However, currently, the latest model guidance and the latest observations would suggest, at the very least, some periods of rain along the coast for Saturday, with some very windy conditions for Saturday and for Sunday. And with those chilly temperatures in place, that's going to lead to some pretty impressive wind chills by Sunday, where temperatures will feel like the upper 30s to lower 40s throughout much of the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area. So that's what we're going to be watching over the next several days as this pattern unfolds and develops. So let's look at the latest model guidance. I'm using the European model guidance for today. For today, again, that cold front is moving through. Temperatures in the mid to upper 60s for highs. For tomorrow, high pressure will be in control. Look for scattered cloud cover. Temperatures will range from the upper 30s to lower 40s over the interior and lower to mid 40s along the coast for lows. High temperatures only in the mid to upper 50s throughout the entire Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area. On Friday, that area of low pressure will develop. Now, for all you guys going out trick or treating, I think for the most part you'll remain dry. You'll see increasing clouds. It'll definitely be cooler than it has been, but I think you'll remain dry for much of the evening as that low pressure system starts to organize and moisture starts to pool off the coast. So look for dry conditions for the most part, excuse me. Low temperatures on Friday will range from the lower to mid 30s over the interior, mid to upper 30s along the coast, a few lower 40s mixed in over the urban areas. High temperatures generally in the mid to upper 50s. When you're out there trick or treating, look for temperatures in the upper 40s to lower 50s in the evening hours. So be sure to bring a sweater with you as you're out there getting that candy. Again, looking for dry conditions. But then late Friday evening and Friday night, rain will start to develop along the coast. That strong disturbance, look where it happened. Let's backtrack here. Look where it's starting here tonight, up right here. And now look where it's diving south. Watch this. It rapidly dives towards the mid-Atlantic coast. Look at the trough going negative. That's a negatively tilted trough. And then it just explodes with a nice upper level low developing off of the east coast. And of course, our surface low pressure system rapidly developing, producing periods of moderate to heavy rain along the immediate coast. As you head further west towards the interior, I'm only looking for scattered showers here. So what I think we're going to be setting up here on Saturday is a coastal low pressure system with the majority of the impacts along the immediate coast, scattered showers over the interior. There will be a threat for some snow mixing in with the rain, but no snowfall accumulations are expected for the region at this time. That includes the interior. I have to watch the storm very carefully. I'm telling you that right now, but surface temperatures I can guarantee are going to be above freezing. So even if you get a mix of rain and snow, I do not expect any snowfall accumulation, even for the interior, even for the higher elevations, unless something drastically changes in this forecast. Again, for the coast, periods of rain. The big story is going to be the winds. Winds coming in from the northeast and back into the north around 15 to 25 miles per hour. And temperatures on Saturday ranging from the upper 30s to lower 40s over the interior, lower to mid 40s along the coast. High temperatures only in the mid to upper 50s. It's going to feel like the upper 40s with that wind and that rain. And then on Sunday, the low pressure system lifts north. As it's doing so, what's going to happen is that high pressure is going to build in. We're going to have a strong pressure gradient, so look for winds from the north-northwest around 10 to 20 miles per hour, at times gusting over 30 miles per hour. Combine that with temperatures in the morning in the upper 20s to lower 30s over the interior, mid to upper 30s along the coast, high temperatures in the upper 40s to lower 50s, but with that wind, it's going to feel like the upper 30s to lower 40s throughout the region because of that wind chill. So it's going to be a rather cold day on Sunday, letting you know winter is on the way. Monday and Tuesday, high pressure and control, tranquil weather conditions, and we moderate back to near normal levels. Monday, look for low temperatures in the upper 20s to lower 30s, high temperatures in the upper 40s to lower 50s, and then on Tuesday, low temperatures in the upper 30s to lower 40s, high temperatures in the upper 50s to lower 60s. That's your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Follow the latest weather information at nynjpaweather.com and nynjpaweather on Twitter, Facebook, Google+, and LinkedIn. Have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe out there.